Welcome to Webster Library. Let's head upstairs and see what we can find here.
We're open 24/7 during the fall and winter semesters and late into the evening during spring and summer.
This is a place to study, relax, collaborate, and get help. Whether you're looking for a quiet place to study, a book for a course, or new technology to discover, the library has you covered.
We're here to assist you. You don't have to worry about how the library works before you come in. We'll answer all your library-related questions and locate resources for you. Whatever it is, we've got it.
You can also ask questions online using the library's chat service. Or you can use one of the 9 interactive kiosks found throughout the library to find the information you're looking for. They can help you explore maps of the library, find available computers, learn about our upcoming workshops, and more. To the right of the landing area, you'll find the loans desk.
Thank you so much. And there you go. So the book goes out for 30 days. And there you go. Thank you. Have a great day. This is where you come to take out your books, but you can also sign out equipment like laptop, tablets, phone chargers, headphones, and more. All you need is your Concordia student ID. You can also place a hold on a book online and pick it up at either of our libraries. You can also check out our materials yourself with our self-service machines.
Need to print? We have printers, scanners, and photocopiers just past the Ask Us desk. It's free to scan, and you just need to add money to your dprint account in order to print.
Remember, the library is yours to use, and we're here to answer your questions. Stick around for the next video to find out more.